Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you some picture progress of the second ever custom doll that I made. So her name is Lucy and she is an angel doll, and as you can see I'm basically just showing you my progress pictures of what I've done. Now, I originally had this video edited from over like 2 hours of footage down to 15 minutes, and then somehow it accidentally got deleted. So I am now just doing this simple picture progress video, and honestly I think I like it a lot better. Maybe one day I will go into details of how I make another custom doll, but as of right now I pretty much like this method. It's a very nice, easy method. So there, I finished the face. I gave her yarn pigtail hair, and then I started making her little angel outfit. And then here is the final product. She is absolutely adorable and I love her. Oh yeah, and I had some trouble keeping her halo up straight for a little bit there, but that was alright. But yes, I gave her golden pigtail yarn hair. Her eyes are blue, purple, and pink with shooting stars as like the little eye shine. Gave her some nice big wings, a nice robe looking outfit, and I'm very, very happy with her. And again, her name is Lucy and she's absolutely adorable. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video, and there will be more doll customs to come. So, see y'all later. Bye!